Hello coin engineers and welcome to our channel. Top G of crypto here. Why? Because we have won yet another big crypto airdrop from Arbitrum. As you guys can remember, we have won airdrops from DYDX, Uniswap, and recently Optimism and Aptos blockchain. Why do we keep winning all those huge airdrops? Because we are participating in every network. We are trying to use them. We are trying to win those airdrops, and not just trying and winning, we are sharing what we do at those networks to win their airdrop. We are making videos, both long and short videos, and sharing it with you guys. So if you want to keep winning them, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to especially turn on the notification bell to watch every video that we share with you guys. And also we are making live streams each week and talking about the newest opportunities on the market. So if you want to learn what are those opportunities, if you want to learn what's our strategy for the market for the Bitcoin, the best thing you can do is starting following us on YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel. If you have any questions, you can ask us directly from there, and be sure we will be answering you in a really short time. So today's topic is the Arbitrum Airdrop, the ARB tokens. If you want to learn you're eligible or not, the thing you have to do is going to arbitrum.foundation. You can find this link down below our video in the description section. Find this link, click on it, and through here connect your wallet. You will see the connect wallet. Click on it and connect your MetaMask or whichever wallet you are using. I've connected my wallet already, as you can see here. After connecting your wallet, then click on check eligibility button. Through here, you can see if you're eligible or not. As you can see, I will receive 1,750 ARB tokens when the claiming is live. Why did I win those tokens? Because I breached to Arbitrum. I made transactions over time, and my transaction frequency and interactions were enough. Don't forget that a minimum of 3 points total are required to be eligible. So if you just breached to Arbitrum and done nothing else, you will not be able to claim this airdrop. You're not eligible. If you have only breached and made transactions, you may be not eligible, to be honest, because when you click on those buttons, you will see more points. Let's get into details. You have breached funds into Arbitrum 1 and you have breached funds to Arbitrum Nova. As you can see, I have not breached to Arbitrum Nova. If I have done both of them, this white dot will be a green tick, but it's not because I have not breached funds into Arbitrum Nova. So that may be why you're not eligible. If you are, there's no problem. And there's a bonus. Points scored before Arbitrum Nitro launch are worth double. So I've scored those points before Arbitrum Nitro launch and my points have been doubled. So let's talk about the ARB tokens. They will be the governance tokens of Arbitrum. They will not be the gas tokens of Arbitrum. As you know, there are many DAO tokens, which is decentralized organization tokens in the crypto ecosystem, and ARB tokens are one of them. Just like the OP, Optimism made an airdrop. Optimism is a layer 2 of Ethereum, just like Arbitrum, and the Arbitrum airdrop is much the same with Optimism. When we'll be able to receive those tokens? When will be the claiming is live? Claiming will be live in 7 days. If you're watching this video today, in March 23rd, you will be able to receive your tokens. The snapshots have been taken at February 6th, so if you have made transactions on Arbitrum, if you try to get those points after February 6th, you will not be able to receive those airdrops. That's an important point. That may be why you are not eligible too, if you are wondering why. And where can you claim those tokens? You'll be able to claim them through this website. Again, arbitrum.foundation. You can find the link just below our video. How much will they worth? And how much will be one ARB token? No one knows yet, guys. But this airdrop may be worth thousands of dollars since it's a long-awaited airdrop and the hype will be huge. So if you want to keep winning those airdrops, if you are sick of missing those airdrops, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to not miss out any of these opportunities. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, you can comment down below in the comment section and we will be answering your questions in a short time. Take care. See you in the next video.